The dog, free up. I want to know.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far.
The dog, free up. I want to know. Vybz Kartel is a free man. After so many years in prison, Vybz Kartel is a free man. Gazanation, talk to me. Bumbo clean. Hold on there. Let me check this. Gazanation, this is what we have been waiting for. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel is a free man. No retrial. Kartel is the king of dancehall. Is back on street again and will be performing. I mean, I tell you, say a fifth. You know, can't buy a ticket. You know, better if you go sell one on the organ or something. Well, let me try to get something straight. Alright, me I try to get the article. Cause the Gleaner just released the article, but I have a video when we didn't record the thing. So me gonna put that in it, me can listen to it on yourself. But we're gonna check the article where the Gleaner say. I mean, I've seen Flame Entertainment up on the phone and we're gonna all reason about this about the thing just the same. Right? We just know so right now Vybz Kartel is a free man. So me could check Jamaica Observer. Because God know me I tell you the truth, youth. Me I tell you the truth. Alright. May I tell you something very important, and that is there is no way the way of John Clark, big up to Vybz Kartel lawyer, in the lawyer team, Isaac Buchanan and John Clark and Bert Samuels, everybody that play a part in Vybz Kartel being a free man. Yo, John Clark handle the 5-day hearing properly. Me I tell you, John Clark handle the 5-day hearing properly. You get me? So, me I tell you the truth, you. Me I tell you the truth, me happy. Me I tell you the truth, me happy right now. Happy right now. Dancehall star Vybz Kartel is free. The Court of Appeal just ruled that he and his 3 co-accused should not be retried for murder. Freedom a day before Jamaica celebrates Emancipation Day. Right? Almost 13 years, 14 years in prison. No, this will be the first time. This will be the first time Vybz Kartel will be stepping foot outside of prison. And the prosecution try to trick them. Tell them say about the healthcare system, this and that. When them come out, you know, we can give them bail so them can deal with them health. No, we don't want that. We do not want that. Vybz Kartel is a free man. You understand? Yeah, we've been waiting for this. We've been waiting for it. You know what I mean? Six Cells family, welcome to all of the new viewers, everybody. Now, I mean, again, Vybz Kartel is a free man. Matsu, Skyro, Sean Storm, all of them will be coming out. And thanks to the Judge Marva, excellent judge, right? Excellent judge, and she did a phenomenal job, right? And Justice Marva delivered. Isaac Buchanan delivered, Bert Samuels delivered, John Clark, youth, he need to get a lot of respect. John Clark also delivered, and this is a historic moment, right? This is a historic moment in Jamaica justice system, and not just, and this is a victory for Vybz Kartel, but not just a victory for Vybz Kartel. This is also a victory for dancehall itself and the justice system, right? Right now, my hand my tremble, you know what I mean, because this is what we need for a longer time. And as me said, the first time Vybz Kartel has stepped foot outside of prison, and me I tell him I can have, you know, greet him family, all of these things we will love to see. And I am pleased to bring the news to you, Six Cells family, that Vybz Kartel is now a free man, January youth, right? Because one of the reasons where them giving up is that the prosecution could not prove or tell them how or why the judge should order a retrial, and nothing that the prosecution put. Remember, you know, the prosecution embarrassed themselves. The prosecution embarrassed themselves in that 5-day hearing, and that's a fact. And there's no way the prosecution could embarrass themselves to that level, and Vybz Kartel team delivered so well, and then we have this. No, it couldn't happen. It could not happen. Another Dalios we play with the man them freedom. We not play Dalios with the man them freedom, right? And them embarrass themselves, them contradict themselves, them do everything under the sun, and a retrial could not be ordered, right? This is what you call competence. This is what you call justice. You know what I mean? This is how the justice system function. This is because another thing is that before this situation right now, the Gleaner Observer, they have been putting out many other cases where police, soldier have been getting, you know, let off by committing serious crimes, and they have been let off by committing serious crimes, right? So when we see this and we say, all right then, there is no way these people can be let off, and Vybz Kartel has been there for so many years and nobody know this, know that, and then they will order a retrial. No, it will not happen. I beg, God forbid it will not happen, right? So, you know what I mean? John, I'm very elated right now that Kartel get released. You know what I mean? The overturning of the Privy Council conviction tells you a lot, right? And because the overturning of the Privy Council conviction also plays a part, because I mean the Privy Council did overturn the conviction, and nothing that they put forward, nothing just could not work. And boy, may I tell you, I'm happy right now, very elated that Vybz Kartel is now a free man, right? And this shows you that Jamaica justice system can work when there is no bias, when there is no prejudice, when there is no unfairness, when there's none of that. The justice system can actually work, right? And Paula Llewellyn, a long time ago, if you gone out of system, Claudette, acting DPP, Claudette Thompson, she needs to go back to law school or something, right? Yeah, because she was telling the court of appeal that Vybz Kartel constitutional, that there will be constitutional breaches, and she said they were not. She said she upset that there were constitutional breaches, and then she said there was no constitutional breaches, and then she said there will be constitutional breaches. Like she just you know, just going around, right? And you know what I mean, we knew the outcome of Vybz Kartel hearing would demand some explanation as to why there will not be a retrial and everything like that. And I may tell you right now, I will be going live, right? I will be going live after this to talk about the situation. Me and Same Flame will be going live, so stay tuned for that, right? Right now, I am really elated. I'm really happy. You have no idea. You understand? As me say, the lawyers, respect goes out to John Clark, who applied significant pressure to the prosecution, and apply his expertise, you know what I mean, profound expertise to the case and make this happen. And I cannot stress that enough. You know what I mean, the first day, the first day, the second day, the third day, the fourth, the fifth, it worked. You know what I mean? It worked. And we love to see it. And definitely I will be dropping another video. So big up to everybody who been checking in right now. And follow, subscribe, and turn on post notification on. I will be going live so you can see the video. Alright? Boom.